Hi, everybody. Thank you very much for joining me. It's that time of year where I'd just like to say a big thank you to all of our supporters throughout the course of 2023, our existing shareholders, those that joined the register newly, and of course, those that are considering becoming shareholders. We'd like to thank you for your support. And of course, we'd like to wish you a very happy, safe, and relaxing Christmas period. And we're certainly looking forward to seeing you again in 2024. I'd also like to share with you some of the highlights that we experienced over the course of 2023 and provide you a roadmap of where the company is headed over 2024 and some of the milestones that we're hoping to achieve. So in terms of 2023, we do see that it was actually a very transformative year for the company and of course for our proprietary iNKT cell platform. We've effectively and completely made the transition to be a company that is now solely focused on our iNKT cell therapy platform. And to do that, a number of things had to happen. A really key set of factors here, though, were firstly, we strengthened the board and the management team through the appointment of our chairman, Dr. Tom Duthie, but of course through the appointment of a range of really experienced individuals across drug development that have amplified the output, I think, over the course of this year, which has been sensational. We closed our Perth R&D facility, which we expect to provide ongoing cost savings for the company, and of course, to make sure that we've got a laser-like focus on our iNKT cell therapy platform. And again, thank you to our shareholders. We raised $8 million to continue the development of ALA-101 and to continue to expand the iNKT cell therapy platform. And delighted that over the course of the year, we've seen an increase in our share price in the order of greater than 350%, which is excellent in a pretty tough market. Now, in terms of our manufacturing, we've completed a range of activities in preparation for taking ALA-101 into phase 1. So we finalised the lentiviral vector design for ALA-101, and we're able to demonstrate that this has very potent anti-tumor activity both in vitro and in vivo, and after freeze thawing, which simulates the allogeneic or the off-the-shelf approach that we're hoping for ALA-101. Now, this data was presented at the American Association for Cancer Research in April of this year, and it was very well received from a range of groups, including scientists, but also larger pharmaceutical companies. So we have completed the GMP manufacturing of the lentiviral vector with our partner Lentigen, which is excellent, and we have commenced scale-up of ALA-101, and the manufacturing process at Cell Therapies, our partner, will be helping us with manufacturing the product for phase 1. So we also continue to enhance the iNKT cell platform. We licensed in a novel chimeric antigen receptor that targets something that's called Claudin 18.2. We're very excited by this program as we think this opens up the very real potential of using iNKT cells to target solid tumours, both gastric cancers in this case and pancreatic cancers, which are known to express the target Claudin 18.2. We also optioned a cytokine technology from the University of North Carolina, which has been demonstrated now in animal models to enhance both the persistence and the anti-tumor activity of CAR iNKT cells. And we also demonstrated earlier in the year that ALA-101, in combination with onCARlytics, does work well in vitro. So what's coming up for 2024? We've got a very busy schedule ahead of us, and again, looking forward to having a very strong year where we tick off another set of milestones and look forward to creating additional shareholder value. So for ALA-101, our major goal is to complete GMP manufacturing in the first half of the year to get ready for phase 1 clinical trials. And while we're doing that, we'll be completing the necessary activities to start phase 1, such as preparing all the documentation and making those submissions to regulators like the TGA or the FDA to initiate phase 1, and of course engaging with clinical sites and key opinion leaders to make sure we're getting the best people involved in those clinical trials. And so the second half of the year, very exciting that we'd be aiming to commence phase 1 with ALA-101 targeting CD19 lymphomas and leukemias. So for ALA-105, our product targeting Claudin 18.2, we'll continue to advance the proof of concept testing for that program, where we're looking to expand the utility of iNKT cells from blood cancers to solid tumours. And once we're comfortable with that, we'll optimize the CAR constructs so we've got the best efficacy that we can get out of that particular product. And then we'll go on to generate animal data for the Claudin 18.2, targeting CAR-iNKT cells against both gastric cancers as well as pancreatic cancers. And presuming that all goes well, then we commence the activities to manufacture ALLO-105 for the clinic, which includes generation of components like antiviral vectors and so forth. Now, in terms of platform expansion, as you know, we've been looking at this cytokine technology, which is under option, and again, looking to in-license that pending our due diligence coming up favorable. And of course, we'll continue to work to generate in vivo data or animal data with ALLO-101 in combination with Immugene's onCARlytics platform. And so for the second half of the year, depending on how those preliminary experiments, the results of those come out, we'll continue to update the remaining milestones throughout the second half of the year. But two big goals: continuing to advance ALLO-101 to take that into phase 1, and of course, continuing to enhance the platform and expand the utility of our iNKT cell products. Two big focuses for the 2024. So with that, I'd just like to say again, thank you very much to all of our supporters and our shareholders. We do thank you for your ongoing support, and we do hope that you have a very safe and happy holiday period, and we are looking forward to seeing you all again in 2024. Thank you very much.